Hello dear Pisces, welcome to my channel and this is your October monthly reading. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. In your first week, you've got the Initiate card and the Lovers card. It looks like you need to initiate something, like take the first step, take the lead in your relationships, whether that's in your friendships, personal life, spouse, partner, boyfriend, girlfriend, right? It seems like you need to take the first step or you need to make a very important choice in this first week. I also see that if you're single, you might have a lot of options to choose from, right? Probably you will have to finalize somebody from those proposals that are coming your way, right? Or this time you will have to decide to go ahead and make that proposal that you have been wanting to take. So I do see that there's some sort of decision that you'll have to take, some sort of action also that you will have to take. People who are in relationships or married, they could be third party situations. Especially if your intuition is saying that there's something wrong, my partner is too busy in his or her work currently, right? Or not giving me enough attention. There's definitely somebody who is in the picture, who has come in between your relationship, your marriage, right? So if your intuition has been telling you this, chances are that there is a third party, there is an extramarital affair. Now, roles can be reversed at any time, which means that this situation can very well be happening at your partner's end, right? Now, let's see what the second week is saying. You've got the Five of Stars and the Moon card. Very sad energy, very hurt energy. It seems like you're walking away from something, right? After knowing the truth of somebody or a real picture about a situation which was hidden from you, somebody was trying to deceive you, lie to you, make a fool out of you. Now, this particular thing can happen to you either in your personal life or in your work life as well, right? Remember, this is a general reading. These readings are very general. Weekly readings will be out in some time, but till then, it looks like there's somebody around you who you cannot trust, and probably your intuition will also be very strong, very precise this month, especially this week. So if your intuition is nudging you that something is wrong in the situation, something is bad, someone is bad, somebody is trying to play me, please be cautious. Do not trust that person. Do not bring that person closer to you. Do not reveal your secrets to them, right? Try to stay away from that person. I also see that a lot of you are making a choice this month, like a major choice, like whether I should leave this person or whether I should continue to stay with this person, right? Whether I should end this friendship or not. So these are the major decisions and some major changes in your personal life that are going to happen for sure. Like the equation is going to change and a lot of reality checks. The mask is going to be off, right? Is going to come off eventually. I see that something is hidden from you for sure, but the mask is obviously going to come off, and then you're going to see the reality, and maybe you will feel hurt and shocked that, oh my god, I trusted this person, and look at them, right? So in your third week, you've got the Eight of Moons and the Six of Suns. Now this tells me that you're very fearful, nervous, and uncertain about your future, right? Like it's like one bad thing happened, of course, and I know exactly where that is coming from. Breakups, divorces, relationships, friendships not working out, or some jobs in the past not working out for you, that fear has settled in, right? It feels like your future is uncertain. Maybe I'll never get that boyfriend. Maybe I'll never be happy. Maybe I'll never have a bright future. Like all those things you're thinking about. I'll never get married, but that's not true. You have a very positive news, positive offers, positive good news coming your way. There will be progress in your life. Just because one person was bad, one friend was bad, or one job was bad doesn't mean that your entire future is like that. Look at this. These are the people who are going home after a war. Like, so you are fighting a war, it seems like, with the closed ones, with the most trusted ones, with yourself also. You're going to win this war and eventually go home, which means towards peace. You are going to find a lot of peace and stability when it comes to third week of October, right? So first few weeks, yes, will be challenging, but also eye-opening for you. The last week talks about Two of Moons and the Pepes card, again a 2 number. So if you are looking at 2 a lot, this reading is 100% for you, alright? It seems like in love, you are, like I said, you don't take action, you procrastinate things, right? You close yourself off. You don't go out there, you don't go out looking at things. Initiate card that came in your first week, right? You don't take action. Now this month is all about action. You making action, you making bold choices, you taking a stand for yourself. That is what this week is asking you to do. It looks like you procrastinate a lot. There are a lot of decisions. You're wise, okay? You have that wisdom, you have that intuition, you have everything, but you keep on delaying things. I don't know why, but that is not what this month is asking you for. This is a month of action, so please take action. You want to find a partner, start looking. You want to get fit, join a gym. You want to get a job, start looking, right? You want a promotion, speak to your team, speak to your boss. You will have to take action. The more you procrastinate your things, your decisions in this month, your life will keep on getting delayed, right? Because fortunately or unfortunately, your life really depends on you right now. So if you look at it, I think it's a very positive month because a lot of things are happening for you. Your life is in your hands. Major bold moves and changes coming into your life. Some very hard yet eye-opening moments in your life, right? But at the end of the day, it's bringing you a lot closer, and it's also, I would say, clearing your path a lot, right? So yes, a very strong month for you guys. So be very careful. Please follow the guidance. And if you guys resonated with this reading, please do like, share and subscribe my channel so that you can get such accurate readings on time. And yes, this was a general reading. If you have very specific questions regarding your life, please book a personal reading with me. I also take personal readings, rituals. I have a lot of packages under 500 rupees, under 1000 rupees readings as well. Yes. And my every package comes with a free remedy. If you want to book any service, you can either email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com. That's mentioned in my description box, or you can directly follow and DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. Okay, these are the only two ways you will get to know the prices, or you can make the bookings. I do not have a website, so please do not go anywhere else. So this was your reading. Thank you so much for watching. Take care, and I'm going to see you soon. Bye bye.